I'm Marcus Schneider and you're watching Schneider Classics. That's the Mexican and that's the LS we're about to pull. Well, after a couple unloose bolts. So there's a bit of work that's been done from the last video to now. That's fine because I wasn't able to pick up the camera. He told me I need to cool down a little bit and stop rushing myself. So we're starting the video now because I'm told to settle down.
You don't settle down, I'm gonna go get some Subway.
Alright, so we're just lifting up so we can have easier access to underneath. Because we got to undo the motor mounts, undo the 2 transmission bolts, and the exhaust. Wiring harness is disconnected from the frame, so there's that.
The sky. Tell me your mind, you're what you're trying to say tonight. My mind. Do you like we discovered our gravity? Give me like my philosophy. So free. You are the one to hold me, make me lose my mind right now. You are the one, I knew it from the start. Seduce me, hug me, touch me, take me to the stars. Okay, burns me like fire, oh my multiplier, future desire. Oh, you're my future desire.
Getting her done. Pretty much have all the mounts out. Got to do the engine cross member unbolted. So everything is like unbolted, but the bolts are still in to keep it from falling on my face. I gotta do the engine cross member, finish undoing this steering column, get it out, and then we'll pull the engine. Get her done tonight.
You're my future desire. You're my future desire. Tú me tientas y hago lo que sea. Si esa noche la luna destella, en tus ojos sé lo que deseas. Siempre es algo más. Paso a paso estamos evitando. En el cosmos nada está sonando. Solo siento como tú palpitas cuando estás aquí. The one to hold me, make me lose my mind right now. You are the one, I knew it from the start. Seduce me, hug me, touch me, take me to the stars. Okay, burns me like fire, oh my multiplier, future desire. Oh, you're my future desire. You're my future desire. You're my future desire. You're my future desire. Tell me your mind, you're what you're trying to say tonight. My mind. Do you like we discovered our gravity? Give me like my philosophy. So free. You are the one to hold me, make me lose my mind right now. You are the one, I knew it from the start. Seduce me, hug me, touch me, take me to the stars. Okay, burns me like fire. ojos sé lo que deseas siempre.
I'm putting the jack back in your garage.
It's like the MPI Claim Center.
Send me those when you get a chance.
I already have pictures of the engine completely out.
No guys surprised to see that.
Alan,
Okay, the old one.
it's like the MPI Claim Center now. Fuck. This is at the end of the video. Fuck.